Iranian President Ebrahim Raisi said that acts of chaos are not acceptable, in a warning to protesters who have taken to the streets across. Raisi added he had ordered an investigation into the case of Mahsa Amini, 22, who died last week after being arrested for wearing unsuitable attire. She died hours after morality police arrested her for allegedly breaking headscarf rules. At least 17 people have died in the worst unrest in Iran for years. Mahsa Amini, a Kurdish woman from the northwestern city of Saqqez, died in hospital in Tehran on Friday following 3 days in a coma. Iran's powerful Revolutionary Guards called on the judiciary to prosecute those who spread false news and rumors, in an apparent bid to take the steam out of nationwide demonstrations. Iran's intelligence ministry also tried to break the momentum of demonstrations, saying attendance at protests is illegal and anyone taking part would face prosecution, Iranian news websites reported.